Hey everyone, Linda G coming to you with another message from Bellin Health. So for this month's Lifesaver topic, we are talking about mattering in our lives and mattering in the workplace. So part of the Surgeon General framework for better health and well-being in the workplace talks about this idea of mattering. And so here are some ideas that you can look at, that you can tune into as an individual and then also incorporate into your teams and your organizations. So I always want to encourage engagement in the workplace. If people feel engaged in the work that they do and purposeful, they will feel like they matter and that they are an integral part of that team or that organization. So if you're an individual, you can ask the questions on how to get involved in those things. Also including others is a great way to also feel like you matter. We also want to participate in gratitude and recognition. So who doesn't like to be recognized for a job well done, and who doesn't like to hear a thank you? And doesn't it feel good when we ourselves recognize people and give thank yous? So you can do that both individually and then also within your team. And then in your organizations, make sure that you have some type of recognition program to recognize what employees are doing. We also want to be able to connect individual work with the mission of the organization. So if you're an individual, you can ask those questions and connect your work. Ask your leader how some of what you do connects to those missions. And then also if you're the organization and you're leading in that organization, make sure that you're communicating that to the people in your organization so that they are in alignment and knowing how much their work matters with your overall mission. So we hope you enjoy this topic. For more information on this one and others, please visit us at bellin.org/lifesaver. Have a great day, everyone.